Asagi, how are you?
Fine.
Any question of the day?
Yes, so.
Yeah, eat me.
Between boys or girls, which person may smell pass?
Lima Faf. Laughing my fucking Arsenal house. It's a woman, though. Then what? You go see that they go, they do me, like say their mess, no they smell. Like say they be assistant Jesus. Like say they are the one that I say holy. Ha! Their mess like this. If you run down so night like the way the battery don't fool. Women, oh no, I fear their past snake when they do abortion. Especially when they can't chop their beans. When they chop beans, and what? Their mess like this. You go come they smell like goats when they see in period. One mess na tip of the iceberg.
What do that?
But you a mess na the beg. Because when you both say what? The female messiology is a catastrophe to the world and consequence. Oh yeah. Thank you.
You're very stupid.